All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's Daily Smart Report. As always, this is Christian Tharp, Chartered Market Technician and Chief Technical Analyst at WealthPop. And we're actually going to look at two stocks today, not just one. We're going to look at two stocks that have very similar setups, starting with Enphase. More often than not, I like to stick primarily with price, the number one indicator that there ever has been, ever will be. But there are a few things that can be icing on that cake, so to speak, and one of those I like to keep a lookout for would be momentum divergences. Okay, in this case, a positive momentum divergence on the RSI. You can see our low in momentum here corresponding with a low in price. You'll see a lower low in price, however, corresponding with a higher low in momentum. Okay, we would look at this as positive, right? That even though we hit lower price, we were weaker. We weren't as strong on the downside. And commonly, that can lead to some pretty good rallies. If it's a negative divergence, it can lead to some pretty good sell-offs. As a matter of fact, it is positive and negative momentum divergences that have allowed us to call so many of the tops and bottoms of the market over the past year or so. All right, so looking at this, what we'd also like to see, in particular case with Enphase here, is a break back above that green line. That 220 mark is one that goes back a ways. And as you can see, the stock managed to take that back today. So breaking back above this level combined with this momentum divergence looks like a pretty good environment for a stock planning on going higher, right? So, or maybe buying some calls if that's your cup of tea. The other one is Northrop. Now, this is one we actually talked about last week. Pretty good support shelf, as you can see all the way through here, right? And that is where we came down to again. And the question was, would we bounce? Well, notice what we have down here. Okay, we have yet another momentum divergence. Okay, so as we hit that most recent low, it was weaker, right? And now we've actually made the turn with a nice good $9 update here. So similar type of setup, similar look. They both look as if they are ready to run higher. Obviously, something like Northrop could be, that thing could be back at 470, 480 in no time, in a couple days. 10, 15, $20 moves, especially as of late, are not uncommon here. So this could allow traders, both this and Enphase could allow traders to really take some long shots and get some great gains, 200, 300, 400% type gains. So if you get a shot at it, certainly you could take a look, find the calls that make the most sense to you and your risk tolerance and your risk reward targets. And as always, make sure to take a look at the market. Okay, everything over here on my watch list is green almost. Well, yeah, market was up today. Almost everything on my watch list yesterday was red. Right, yeah, because the market was down yesterday. So never forget, you rise and fall with the overall market. And until next time, good luck in your trading.